In the heart of the Enchanted Forest, Lily, a talented nail artist, discovers the ethereal Moonlit Masquerade, a magical event shrouded in mystery. Welcomed by Luna, the enigmatic guardian of Moonlight Nail Art, Lily's world is forever transformed as she is beckoned to showcase her artistry in a prestigious nail art competition. With a heart full of creativity, Lily delves into the enchanting world of nail art, infusing her designs with the magic of enchanted polishes and cosmic glitter. Guided by Sparkle, her loyal companion, and the talking unicorn, Lily's fingertips work their spell, crafting mesmerizing nail art pieces that shimmer and come alive under the enchanting moonlight. Amidst the enchanting moonlit ambience, Lily and a host of talented nail artists take center stage, each presenting their spellbinding creations that weave stories of magic and artistry under the shimmering moonlight. The air is charged with anticipation as the audience marvels at the kaleidoscope of nail art designs brought to life before their eyes. The question lingers in the night sky: who will claim the prestigious title of Moonlight Manicure Master, leaving their mark in the tapestry of magical nail art history? In a spellbinding conclusion, Lily's awe-inspiring nail art masterpiece captures not only the eyes but also the hearts of both the mesmerized audience and the esteemed judges. With her artistry shining brighter than the moon itself, Lily is crowned as the Moonlight Manicure Master, a testament to her journey from a humble nail artist to a luminous star in the realm of magical nail art. Her story embodies the essence of talent, the bonds of friendship, and the transformative power of the enchanting moonlight that has guided her to this dreamlike pinnacle of success.